Hey there, coders! Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental concepts in programming, conditional statements. You've probably heard of if-else, but what exactly does it do? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Imagine this. You're standing at a pedestrian crossing. If the traffic light is green, you cross the road. Else, you wait for the light to turn green. This decision-making process is exactly how computers work when using if-else statements. While writing programs, we need to make a lot of decisions based on the use case you're solving. Let's see it in action with some code. In this code, the condition light color equals green is checked. If it's true, Python runs the code inside the if block and tells you to cross. If it's not true, the code inside the else block runs, telling you to wait. But what if there's more than just green or red? For example, what if the light is yellow? Yellow might mean you should prepare to cross, but wait until it turns green. That's where if-else statements come into play. Let's rewrite the code to include this third possibility. Here's what's happening. The if block. It checks if the light is green. If it's true, the code in this block runs, and the program tells you to cross. The elif block. If the light isn't green, the program checks if it's yellow. If this is true, the code in the elif block runs, telling you to prepare but wait. The else block. If neither condition is true, meaning the light is red, the code in the else block runs, and the program tells you to wait. This is the power of if-else. It allows your program to handle multiple conditions in a clear, step-by-step way. So, to summarize, use if to check your first condition. Use elif to check additional conditions if the first one isn't true. Use else as a fallback for all other cases. And that's it. Whether you're crossing a road or building decision-making in your program, if-else is the perfect tool to handle multiple scenarios.